When we have a set of data points, to find if we have any outliers, we need our interquartile range, our quartile 1, and our quartile 3. To determine whether we have outliers or not, we multiply 1.5 to our IQR, which we found in the previous video to be 42. When we do this, we get 63. We then take our quartile 1 and subtract this number to get 34.5. So for our quartile 1, we did 28.5 minus 63, and we get negative 34.5. Any number below this value is an outlier. Since our lowest term was 17, we do not have an outlier that is lower than negative 34.5. We also do something with our quartile 3. We take our quartile 3, which we got 70.5, and this time we're going to add 63 to our quartile 3, and we get 133.5. Any number above this number is also an outlier. Since there are no points below negative 34.5 and above 133.5, this set of data does not have an outlier. Looking at our second set of data, which we already found our IQR to be 2, our quartile 1 was 5, and our quartile 3 was 7 from the previous video. We again take our IQR, which again is 2, and multiply it by 1.5. You always use 1.5. When we do this, we get 3. We do the same thing with this set of data. We take our quartile 1, and we're going to subtract 3 from it, and we get 2. So anything below 2 is an outlier. We do not have any number below 2 in this data set. Then with our quartile 3, which is 7, we're going to add 3 to get 10. So anything above 10 in our data set is an outlier. In this case, we have an outlier, which is 11, because 11 is greater than 10.